Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering SmartSheet functions and boosting your productivity. SmartSheet is a powerful tool for managing data and offers robust project management features, real-time collaboration, and workflow automation, making it suited for managing tasks and projects across teams. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the IFERROR function in SmartSheet. This powerful function helps you handle errors gracefully in your formulas, ensuring your sheets remain clean and readable. The IFERROR function is incredibly useful when you want to replace error messages with a custom value or message. Today, we'll use a practical business example to show you how it works in SmartSheet. Let's start with an overview of the IFERROR syntax in SmartSheet. Here's what each part means. Value: the formula or expression you want to check for errors. Value IFERROR: the value or message you want to display if an error is found. Now, let's look at our example. We have a sheet of sales data with columns for sales amount, column 2, and quantity sold, column 3. We want to calculate the average sale price per unit, which is done by dividing the sales amount by the quantity sold. Our goal is to calculate the average sale price per unit, but we need to handle any potential division errors, such as dividing by 0. In the cell where you want the result, we'll enter our formula to calculate the average sale price per unit, and we'll wrap it with the IFERROR function. Start by typing equals IFERROR. Next, we need to specify the formula we want to check for errors. In this case, it's the division of sales amount, column 2, by quantity sold, column 3. So, we type column 2/column 3. Now, we need to add the value we want to display if an error occurs. Let's use 0 as our fallback value. So, we type 0 and close the parentheses. Press Enter and SmartSheet will calculate the average sale price per unit, replacing any errors with 0. Drag the fill handle down from the corner of the cell to apply this formula to the other cells in the column. The complete formula in the cell is displayed on the bottom of the screen. We could change the value _if_error to return any value. For example, if we want to return a value that says none, we would replace the 0 in this formula with none inside quotation marks. We could return a blank value by entering 2 quotation marks with nothing in between. The IFERROR return value needs to be placed inside quotation marks if it's a text value. Exceptions are for numeric values or logical values like true or false. And there you have it. We've successfully used the IFERROR function in SmartSheet to handle errors in our average sale price calculation. The IFERROR function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios to manage errors and keep your data clean. Whether you're dealing with division errors, lookup errors, or any other type of formula error, IFERROR has you covered. That's it for today's tutorial on the IFERROR function in SmartSheet. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.